Today I'm going to show you how to turn your hoodie into a really useful travel bag for your laptop, perfect for going to school, college or even the office. Start by placing your laptop on the chest of the hoodie like this. Then fold the bottom of the hoodie over it and tuck it around the top of the laptop too. Next we take the hood, put the pull strings each side and pull the hood over the entire laptop like this. At this point, if you want to carry anything else in your bag, like a notepad and a pen, you can just tuck them in here. Then pull the hood over the corners of the laptop one more time and have a look under each arm for the pull strings. Give these a good pull and tie them in a bow. This will tighten the drawstring around the hood and help to keep the bag firmly wrapped up. You can see your computer is protected in a nice soft case. And all we have to do to turn it into a shoulder bag is tie the arms together like this. This makes a great makeshift laptop bag. It's well protected, and you can see even if I give it a good shake, it doesn't come undone. It sits well on your shoulder and makes a pretty cool bag. And when you get to your destination, just undo the drawstring and the arms, unfold the hood, and you've got your notepad, your pen, and your laptop ready for work. Pretty cool, huh? You've also got your hoodie in case you get cold later. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more, you can click on the links or take a look at my YouTube channel page. Stay safe, have fun, and as always, thanks for watching.